Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Feels good to chat with you guys again here instead of doing my weird whispers. Gotta love it. What a weird, funny vlog that was. Not something that I plan to do a lot, but it was kind of like fun, a fun switch up challenge for me. Anyway, it is Friday, and not gonna lie, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. But the good news is that I don't have that much to do today, and so I'm going to take the most chill day. This is gonna be just a nice, chill, relaxing vlog, and I'm just gonna be like extra nice to myself. There are a couple things that I wanna get done today. I do want to clean the apartment just a little bit, more tidy than clean, because Connor gets home today and I want to have him come home to a nice place because that's a nice thing to do. I want to start on some laundry, which I'm going to do right now. I should probably wash the sheets too, but maybe I'll just do that tomorrow. He'll be fine if it's not fresh sheets tonight. We can have fresh sheets tomorrow. TBD, we'll see how I'm doing. But man, you know, it's just one of those days. I'm just not feeling it. I'm not feeling like myself, and I don't want to like force myself. So you know what that means. We're going to be doing some reading. We're going to be binging some Love Island. It's going to be just such a chill time. It's actually almost already noon, 11:43. Oh my God, Molly Cat looks so cute. I have to show you guys. Like, look at her just baking in the sun. She was just playing with this cord here, which she knows she shouldn't do, but that's why she's sort of stretched out like that. Look at this little bean. Oh, she's so cute. I love you. I love you. I love you. I know you're gonna get tired of me touching you, but I just love you so much. Good girl. Okay, anyway, let's start on some laundry. I don't really want to, but it has to be done. I have so much laundry to do. Hopefully not so much that it has to be multiple loads. Fingers crossed. You know what, just even being slightly productive and doing that has made me feel a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. There is something about like actually starting to get stuff done, because then you're not just focusing on like whatever you're emo about. Not that I'm really emo about anything, for the record. You know when you just wake up feeling emo? That's me today. One of those days. But actually, really quickly, let's open this package that I have over here because I'm pretty excited about it. I've been waiting to open it on a vlog with you guys, so I haven't gotten to see what's inside yet. Okay. Oh. My workouts from the past 2 days were so intense, and holy hell am I sore. Like, it's crazy. Ooh, I'm so excited about this. So this is a package from a brand called State Bags, and I got served an Instagram ad for them and got hooked instantly because I was like, this is gonna be my new go-to beach bag. And I'm pumped about it. Let me get this situated so that I can show you guys what it looks like. Et voila. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I don't know if you can fully tell, but it's sort of like tortoise. Yeah, I feel like you can see it there when the light comes through. So cute, nice thick straps. It's huge, literally perfect for the beach. You can fit everything in here. And I also love, it has this like separate pouch, which again, so good for the beach. You can detach this, you don't have to like keep this in there, but Molly Cat is just instantly under the paper. Oh, hi, it was just me. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted. Obviously, this is great for the beach because you can throw like your wallet, money, phone, just like more important things in this smaller pouch. I'm just kind of obsessed with this. Like, I think it's so cute. It's also plastic, which again, really good for the beach. You can clean it out super easily. I'm a huge fan. And then they told me that they threw in something a little extra for me here, which is like one of their best-selling items. It's a little fanny pack situation. So cute. I don't have anything in this color. Of course, like it's a little bulky with the sweatshirt, but oh, that is so cute as well. So easy to throw on the go, running errands. So huge thank you to State for sending this package because I am just like so excited, especially about that bag. I need to do a beach day stat now. So funny that I'm planning stuff for like a beach day, even though it's September now, but let's be honest, I live in LA and the best time of year is in the fall. So beach days ahead. I'm not mad about it. So that's my little haul. I don't think I have anything else here to open. No, I definitely do not. And obviously the washing machine is making a ton of noise in the background now. Anyway, so let's just wrap up this clip. I am getting hungry, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch right now. I hope I have just something quick and easy in the fridge because I do not feel like putting any kind of effort in. Oh, I know, I have some leftover broccoli, so I can do that broccoli salad situation again, or just something with the broccoli, so that'll be good. Okay, I've decided what I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm actually very pumped about it. I'm going to make a little cookie bowl. So made some rice here. I've cut up some crab, which should be really good. I'm gonna do the rest of the salmon as well, because might as well. Like, there's really not much left, so I'll have to buy some more for next week anyway. Sorry you have to deal with all that background noise, but it is what it is. So for the crab, I'm going to season it with some Kewpie mayo and some sriracha, and then let's get that in there, Kewpie, so that it's sort of like a crab salad situation, spicy crab salad. And then I think I'll put like some sort of sriracha, I mean not sriracha, like soy sauce or something on the bowl as a whole. I feel like this is gonna be so good. Good food always puts me in a good mood. So let's get some rice in there first. Crab, salmon bits, our cucumber, bam, going in. I'm gonna chop up some green onion quickly as well. Okay, let's do avocado next in here though. Grab a little soy sauce moment and just do like a nice little drizzle on top. Green onion gets sprinkled. And now just a small squeeze of Kewpie, sriracha, and of course my favorite sesame seeds right on top. Check this baby out. Ooh, gonna be such a good lunch. Well, that lunch was super delicious, you guys. I loved it. And now next up on the agenda is working on tidying this place up, because you can tell I've been living here alone for a couple of days. So we need to try to make this look a little better for Connor. But actually first, while I was eating lunch, I got this box delivered. So it's actually from Every Table, and I'm doing a collaboration with them on Instagram actually, so this isn't sponsored or anything. But if you don't know what Every Table is, they are a food delivery service, as well as they also have like brick and mortar locations that you can go to. They actually had one in downtown LA, so I used to go there when I was still living in downtown. Yeah, I'm really excited to be working with them, not only because their food is delicious and I was already a fan of the brand, but also their mission is really incredible. Basically, their mission is to make sure that there is nutritious and healthy food options in underserved communities in particular. So instead of just having, you know, fast food options available, there is good, affordable, healthy food available in these communities, which I just think is an amazing mission, obviously. So very happy to be partnering with them. As I said, this is not sponsored at all. This box just arrived, so I figured I could show you what meals I picked out. And you can hear more about them on my Instagram. Got a little chocolate brownie. I thought that would be a yummy treat. I also got some watermelon and a little vegetable pack here to snack on. I actually got 2 of those. Let me make some more room. Let's see, I got a spicy fried chicken sandwich, Thai red curry with vegetables. Looks so good. We have teriyaki green beans, just a little side dish situation, elote Caesar salad. Oh, and this I'm so excited for, cauliflower mac and cheese. I'm intrigued. I obviously had to get that one. So yeah, lots of yummy meals here that I haven't tried before, so very excited to try these next week when I'm filming for them. I'm going to put this stuff away and then we're going to let our cleaning commence because it needs to be done. Luckily, Connor doesn't get home until like midnight tonight. I mean, like, we'll go straight to bed. There's no way we're like hanging out tonight at all. But still, I want him to come back to like a nice, clean, tidy home. I always think that's nice, and it's something that we always try to do for each other. When I'm traveling and come home, he always tries to make sure it's nice for me, and I always try to do the same for him. So it's just one of those nice things that you do for your partner. Do I feel like cleaning today? No, I'm in a shitty mood. I don't feel like cleaning, but you know, I told myself I was gonna do it, so we're gonna do it. Hey friends, the clean is done. I feel like the place is in really good shape for Connor, which I'm super happy about, and I'm gonna buckle in for some reading now, which I'm really looking forward to. I've said this so many times, still reading the 4th Harry Potter book. Is obviously long. I'm about halfway through it right now. Still trekking my way, but I actually recently got asked to join a book club with a couple girlfriends who I work with at one of my clients. I was like, oh yeah, that sounds sort of fun. Like, why not? I would join. So they are going to read, what's that Jeanette McCurdy book? Like, I'm Glad My Mom Died. Yeah, that is what it's called. I'm Glad My Mom Died, which is Jeanette McCurdy's new, Jeanette McCurney's, whatever, new book all about sort of her life, her family life, her career on Nickelodeon. I'm very, very, very intrigued to read more about it. Obviously, I feel like everyone's talking about it right now, so it was kind of the perfect opportunity to hop in and read that. So I am also going to download that book. Actually, let's just do it right now. And then I do think I'm going to take a little break from the Harry Potter books because I'm in the mood for a really juicy thriller. So that's what I'm going to be looking for next. So let me know, what are you guys reading right now? Because I always love to hear what other people are reading, or if you have a really good thriller recommendation for me, please let me know because I'm very intrigued. Also on the agenda for tonight, Connor just boarded his last flight because he couldn't get a direct flight from where he was flying. I forget if I said this, but he was in Mexico working on a client activation. He was in a place called Acapulco, which I had never heard of before, but I mean, apparently, and he showed me on FaceTime. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm so jealous. He was like staying at this like 4-star hotel, ocean view room, obviously like all on his company's dime since it was a work trip. But I was like, damn, he's like living up on vacation right now, basically. No, he obviously had a lot of work to do as well, but he also definitely found time to like sit on the beach, which I was like, I want to be doing that. I want to be on a beach in Mexico right now. So definitely if he ever gets brought back there for another activation, I am going with him. I honestly considered going with him this time, but I had just been gone for so long that I felt like I really need to be home and just relaxing and enjoying my time here. It's definitely something that I, wanted to do, but it just wasn't great timing with everything else going on. I have like at least one trip every month for the rest of the year. So it's going to be busy, but it's going to be really fun. Lots of really fun stuff coming up. I can't wait to share more with you guys. I think the next trip I'm going on, I definitely won't be vlogging. I'm going to Vegas for Sarah's bachelorette party, which is going to be so fun. I'm so excited to go to her bachelorette party. It's gonna be a blast. I'm so excited that she invited me. So obviously I'll be posting a lot about it like on Instagram and stuff, but yeah, definitely not going to be vlogging. Vegas is not the kind of place that you really try to vlog, in my opinion. Anyway, agenda for the night. That's what I was saying before I got so distracted. I think I'm gonna order some ramen tonight because that sounds really good. Just treat myself to a nice creamy bowl of ramen. I'm thinking maybe Silver Lake ramen because I have not had Silver Lake ramen for years, and that sounds amazing. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna order that pretty soon because it's already 6:24 p.m. So I think I'll probably read until my food arrives, and once my food arrives, we're diving back into Love Island. My mood has definitely turned around. I'm really happy. I was so on the fence about like whether I was gonna vlog today or not because I was just in such a shit mood, but sometimes like when I just pick up my camera and start to vlog, it actually gets my mind off of like things or just like boosts my mood, which is really nice. So thank you guys for being here with me. I appreciate it. And let's get a little reading in, back into our Harry Potter book. Well everyone, it is 11:30 now, and unfortunately Connor's flight hasn't landed yet. They took off about an hour and a half late in the end, which does suck, but I do think that he'll be getting in anytime now, hopefully. I am fading fast though, so I am about to climb into bed and read from there. I'm not going to sleep quite yet, but because I am trying to stay up so I can see him, but things are falling apart quickly. But doing my skincare quickly before bed, I If you missed my last video, I'm doing this new skincare routine called skin cycling. Basically, you cycle through different treatments on different days. So today is my exfoliating day. So I'm using the Dr. Dennis Gross chemical exfoliant because it's really, really nice. My ramen was delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys, really hit the spot. And Love Island was serving up some nice juiciness, which was great. As I said, I am getting towards like more of the end now where things don't really happen as often, but family visits happened, so it was cute. If you guys missed my explanation of skin cycling, it's basically when you go through the cycle of exfoliate one night, the next night you use retinol, and then for the next 2 nights you do recovery days where you don't use any kind of specific treatment on your face. Just started it. I'm excited to see what it does for my skin. I'm going to be keeping you guys in the loop, of course. As you see, I am breaking out over here a little bit right now, and weirdly, like I have a zit on my neck, which is strangely painful. I'm like, what are you doing there? I was just on my period, so this kind of happened during that, so that's sort of what I think that is. But my overall complexion of my skin is looking nice. I don't know, we'll see. This is only my 3rd time through the cycle, so I think it takes obviously a little bit of time to start seeing results. Can't believe I'm almost about to be through another jar of this. I think this was like my 4th or 5th jar. Time to go brush the teeth. Alrighty, thank you guys everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's sort of just chill relaxation type of video. It was a good mix of like productive around the house stuff and also a lot of just chilling. And we are heading into a long weekend, which is going to be really, really nice. We have a lot of fun stuff going on. So I hope that you guys all have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video.